Hello, I'm Steven from UXV Technologies. I'm today here with Pietari from Patria. We're going to talk about some of the custom controllers that we made for them for their UAVs and how that's been utilized. So first of all, Pietari, how has it been to have the access to controllers which has a high ruggedization level? Have this had any impact for the usage? Because I know a lot of your customers are in climatic challenged areas.
Yes, good question, because I think that all the controllers look almost the same, but there are maybe many differences, and one is the quality or one is how it's IP rated. But maybe the biggest differences on this controller was that this is touchpad, but we can trust every condition that touchpad is really working every day. So we decided that we designed the big buttons so we can continue the operation with the big gloves, and after that customers has been really succeeded because quite often there is a cold.
Yes,
and gloves are needed.
I must say that when operating in conditions like you have in Finland, it's often, I could imagine that using a glove is a must, but also having scenarios where reliability and also performance is very, very needed. I could imagine you have a lot of situations where you are close to any type of other infrastructure.
Yeah, and basically we think that the controller is like a heart of the whole system, because if the customer loses the flying unit, they still can building the new flying units. But if they lose some reasons the control unit, they can fly, they can use nothing. So it's really important. And at the same time, the controller can be controlled any kind of unmanned system. So it's a multiple roles.
So you guys are very much like a spear of what's being done in your area. Can you tell me a little bit about what your drones can do and how it's been utilized?
Yeah. Basically, this is a Patria 1, and its name comes from one way.
Okay.
But it's a flying platform for any kind of warheads which are under 7 kilos. It's a modular system. Okay. We can change the radios, or we can use optic fiber link cable. And if we want to fly fast with FPV mode, we put the small, short motor arms and 3 blade propellers, and it's like a 30 meters per second. But quite often customers need bigger payloads and longer flying range. Then we replacing these in XL size motor arms, and it flies nearby 50 kilometers.
So it's like a modular platform which can adapt to the scenario with multiple different payloads. I see you have here some droppable munitions, but you also do have ISR capabilities. You have the capabilities to fly with other type of communication, which is a communication denial, where you have fiber optic cables. So have this modular idea, have that been one of the key factors of your product?
Many of the ideas are coming from the situation which are changing in Ukrainian. The radio links or the communication links should be changed. But this is a user safety, because we use 3-step safety mechanism, which is almost worldwide patented.
Seen from UXV perspective, you and me have been working together for quite some years, and it's been quite a fruitful collaboration, and I've been enjoying working very much with your journey of your company. Yep. And right now today you're part of a big group of Patria and have quite some success with your drones, so it's been a pleasure.
And what we have seen that when everyone's that kind of cooperation is focusing on the main line, they will get a better succeed, and when we combine two things, it's 2 times better. So that's the way how we do.
Can you describe and put some words on what the collaboration with UXV have meant for, what can you say, your product line and your focus?
Quality. And basically we know that customer, when they see our systems or a UXV controller, they feel that it's not a toy. It's a real professional system for a specific need, and that creates trustness.
So ruggedization, quality, and it's been optimized for the application. Yes. So it's user-friendly.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to hear, and thank you very much. I'm looking very much forward to the future.
We will continue.
Yes, thank you.